Hello, welcome to yet another interesting tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel, Jassen Tech. And on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a new post on WordPress environment. So all you need to do is to log on to your WordPress website and then type the login backend URL. So this I'll be using spicymodel.com.ng/login, and I'll hit enter. So all I need to do here on the Spicy back end is for me to actually type the password and the username. So already I have the username and the password saved on my browser, so all I need to do is just click login. So all you need to do is to click login here. So once you click login, depending on the strength of your internet, it shouldn't take up to a minute or two to log into the system. So successfully we've logged into the system, and you can see the back end here. So on the back end we have a lot of tab depending on the type of user authenticity or the role, that the privileges that has been assigned to you. But this particular username is actually the admin login. So logging in as the admin, you're going to see all these particular tabs. You can see the first one is the dashboard. So you also have the home, the updates, the insights, and so on. So when you go to the posts, you have posts, you also have all posts, you have add new posts, you have categories, we also have tags. Now you also have pages. If you want to add pages or you want to add media from your library or from your system, you can upload them here. So what I need to do is just to click on all posts. So when I click on all posts here, automatically I'm going to see all posts on this particular website. So you can see these are all posts. So now what I need to do is to create a new post. So what I'm going to do is to hit on this add new post. So click on add new post. Ensure you have your post ready. You can actually have it either in your notepads or any other places where you kept your post. So but for this tutorial I'll be going to Linda Ikeji's blog, and I will copy a post. Okay, let's see, students protest over raising cases of kidnapping in Ondo State. Okay, we have other things. Let's see. Okay, let's go with this foreign. Let's go with this particular foreign post. Andrew's Tate's girlfriend accuses him of sexual assault uh, inside their Beverly. Okay, now let's open this and make a post from this. Alright, so all I need to do is to right click on this, save the image. Okay, so that I'm going to upload it in my dashboard. Alright, so I will give it a name, the same thing. So I'll just leave that, just click save. And so I'll copy this title. This is going to serve like my title. Copy it, go back to this particular environment here in my dashboard. That's the back end of my website. Then where you see add title, I'm going to post it there, and then I'll go back again and copy this post without copying the pop-up. You can see some of this pop-up, so I'm going to copy only the post without copying the ads. So I'll copy this, go back to my WordPress environment here, and I'll press enter, paste it, press another enter again. There's a reason why we are doing that, because later we are going to actually add a photo. So now we have this in line with this picture, so I'm going to copy two of them together. I don't need to actually copy it one by one until when I reach to this point where there is ads. I'll copy this, go back to my WordPress environment here, press enter. Now it's going to pop up, don't worry. Okay, we have the picture here, so the picture is also added to our post. You can see it automatically added here. Alright, so I need to continue posting the remaining article. We have other things. Okay, so we still have another article with a picture here, so I'll go down, scroll up to this point. So I'll copy this, go back to my WordPress environment, paste it also. Now I'll go again to finish up the remaining parts. So I'm going to copy and go down. Alright, so here press enter, paste it. Don't worry about that. We are going to format that particular post. So go back again, So this is just a tutorial video, but then if you want to copy from any website to your own, you make sure that you paraphrase everything so that you wouldn't be penalized for copying, except maybe you're going to reference the location where you picked that particular article from. All right, so this is all about the post from this particular website. So all I need to do now is to remove this spacing in between. Okay, so I need to clear this spacing. I need to also scroll down where we have this, clear it, go down here, clear it, clear them all. Then I should go down, clear this, clear all this. Alright, so we are done clearing everything. Now you need to also understand that there was a picture I saved initially in my computer. So I'll click on add media. You can add media here and you can also add media here, but it is advisable you add it while you're creating the post. So you click on add media here, and so you can select, or you click on this and you drag the picture to this place. So it depends on what you want to do. So I'll just drag it because Chrome enables me to use the recently downloaded picture immediately. So I'll click, and so automatically it will be loading. Alright, so the picture is almost done. Alright, so the picture is ready. So what I need to do is to go back to this particular website again, copy their title. I'm going to copy this because of propagation. I know that this particular website propagates faster in Google. So I will just go to the alternative text here under my picture, go back to my website, the alternative text, paste it there, and then the title also. I don't want all these numbers, I want it to be readable, so that when Google crawler is actually crawling my website, they can actually read the text. So I'll also post it in the description. So I'll insert this. So once I insert it, I should be able to have this automatically there. Now I can also paste the title, and then the title will be in this format. Else, if I highlight, I can also change it from here, H1, H2, H3, and so on and so forth. So there are different types of headers that you can apply on your post. Now here I'm going to centralize this particular video image so that it will be in the middle. And so I know that, okay, this particular person, this is a name, so I'll copy it and I'll go to where we have tags. I'll paste it, I'll add. Now remember, this is actually a lifestyle, so I'll look for where lifestyle is in the category and I'll tag lifestyle. Now the other name, I know also we have Hilton's Hotel. Is actually another hotel in the United States, so I'll paste it also, so that when someone is searching, the main reason why we are having these tags is if somebody is searching for anything related to this particular post will also appear under the search bar. Alright, so I'll also write United States of America. Alright, I'll also write USA. Alright, so all these ones are special tags that you need to actually have there. Alright, so once you have all these things done, the next thing you need to do is to look at this featured image here. Set that same image you uploaded as a featured image. Alright, this will help you when you're sharing your link. They are going to see a pop-up that is going to also accompany that particular link you're sharing. When they share your link on any social media platform, there will be a pop-up there. So that is the featured image. That's the work of the featured image. Alright, so another thing again, there is what we call the key focus. Now, key focus is a word that definitely people would like to search about you. Let's say, for example, if I want to know things about, I'm writing something about the video, I can say the video's world. So that can be my key focus, so, or my focus key. So you can actually have a focus key phrase as Davido's world, so that when somebody is typing Davido's world, Davido's riches, it will pop up under that particular search. So here I'm going to write this particular short form from actually the title. So I'm copying part of the title and putting it here so that I will definitely have this. So I can also go down here and have my yokes SEO also, paste it there. And then once I do that, you see that it turns yellow, so automatically it's a bit good. But if you want to have the best is green. So but then yellow is also a pass mark, but when you have it as red, it is not good. So here I'm going to pick a little of this. So I'm going to copy the whole of this first line, take it downward. This is because what I'm doing here is what we call the search engine optimization, so that it will appear on place on Google. Alright, so we have all this. Now you can actually checkmate. Okay, if I add this, it's definitely more than expectation, so I can actually clear this and just be clearing it one by one to see. So we have the green. Okay, so green is actually a pass mark here, you can see. Now here what we are having, the reason why we have the slogan as red like this one, its SEO title is red because it is more than what the user can see. So you can see a preview of what is happening here. So you can see here we also have some written text that are hidden. We don't know what's happening. That's why we have a rate here, but it doesn't matter, it doesn't mean anything, no problem. You can still leave it like that, so long as you have a pass in that. Now overall you can see your SEO here. You can see that you have 65 over 100, so it's a pass mark. So it means this particular post is also good. Now you can check the content length is okay, and the meta description length, they need it, it's over 160 characters, so we need to reduce it, which is actually one of the things we need to put into consideration. Now another thing again is, if you look at this readability analysis, it's very that it needs more attention, because this particular post is longer than expected, but then it's okay. We don't need to actually concentrate on that. The main thing is for us to concentrate on our SEO analysis, which is okay. So that is the main thing. Then if you look at this format here, we have standard. So this is a standard post. We also have quotes, we have links. If you want to post link, you can actually do that. Now here, if any of this category is not available, you can add new category from here, and then you can set it up as the default category. So but then this particular block is going to be making use of all its category as the one provided during development. So every other thing is set, everything is okay. You can see all the posts, and everything is all right. So now all you need to do is to hit this publish, and if you're not sure of what you want to do, you can move it to trash, but then I'm sure that, yeah, this particular post is okay, so I can click on publish. So once I hit on publish, now it should be able to appear on our website within the next 2 seconds. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so our post is successfully published. So you can see we have a sniping link here that we can actually click to view the post. So you can click here to view our post. So once we click, we should be able to go to the front end. Now this is the front end, and then our post is actually active. You can see it now, people can read. You can also see some tags here. These are tags. You log in as spicy admin, and then you can comment here. Then you also have your tags. These are the tags that we've had. All right, so you can see this is the featured image, and then this was the image in the post. You can see this is the image in the post, while this is the featured image. So when I go back to the home page, you should be seeing this post also everywhere on the website. All right, so here you can see that the post is here. It's also you can see it also on the spotlight here, so automatically it starts, and then you should be able to see it under this, and then you can also see it under the latest stories, and so on and so forth. So this is how to actually make a post on WordPress. Thank you so much. Until I come your way again with another interesting tutorial, from now, goodbye, have a nice time, and ensure you like, comment, share, and don't forget to invite your friends to come and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Mwah. Love you.